This 2019 Forest River Forester La 2251 SLE Chevy is a Class C RV. It is located in Bradenton, FL 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2019 Forest River Forester La 2251 SLE Chevy is built on a Chevy chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.